Celebrating 60 years of media excellence. 60 taon sa paglilingkod. 60 taon sa katotohanan. 60 taon sa pagtindig kasama ang sambayanang Pilipino. Ito ang Bombo Radio Philippines. Bombo Radio Philippines. Your trusted source of news and information.
Basta Radio Bombo!
Oras sa Bombo Radio, Philippine Standard Time, 45 minutos sa Calabar.
Bombo like ka na par.
Paspas yung oras, Bombo like ka, no?
Super.
Paspas yung oras, morag, di lang mamalayan makabumbo, no? Pero ang lakat sa panahon, Jensan, nindot, init, yapon, Bombo like ka, no?
Yes.
Dali lang, natin makaubang kanong buntaga, ang atong BIC from Argentina, okay? Ato nga makauban karon, may makasama po natin ngayong umaga ang ating Bombo International Correspondent galing sa Argentina, si Ma'am Christine Tejada. Ma'am, good morning po.
Hello, good morning, good evening from here.
Kumusta na po kayo diyan, Ma'am?
I'm doing well. It's just very overwhelming, the atmosphere here in Argentina, because it's a festive week here.
Okay, ano na po ang reaksyon diyan matapos na po na pumasok ang Argentina sa final sa FIFA World Cup 2026, Ma'am?
Well, the feeling here, the atmosphere, it's incredibly energetic. Like, before the match, people are already discussing predictions and lineups. And during the game, every goal is celebrated with cheering, car horns, drums, and sometimes fireworks. So if Argentina wins tomorrow, the celebrations usually spill into the streets, especially around the Obelisco. And also, it's my first time to attend tomorrow, to witness. So it's been fascinating to experience the football culture here. Like, I've traveled to many countries, but Argentina's passion for football is on another level. It's more than just a game. It brings families, friends, and even complete strangers together. Like, as a foreigner living here, it's been amazing to witness that sense of unity firsthand.
Ma'am, preparations ng government sa mga tao dyan regarding dito sa FIFA World Cup Finals if manalo ang Argentina, Ma'am?
Well, the excitement here is definitely building. Like, everywhere you go, people are talking about tomorrow's final between Argentina and Spain. Like, well, football is a huge part of Argentinian culture, so you can really feel the anticipation across the city. Like, a lot of people wear the Argentinian jersey or anything in the national colors. Like, you will see the Argentinian flags hanging from balconies, cars, cafes, restaurants, and any local businesses. So even if you're just walking around Buenos Aires, it's hard to miss the football atmosphere.
Okay, Bombo like your question to Ma'am.
How about the Filipino community, ma'am? Gaano po sila ka-excited ngayon dyan sa Argentina?
From my experience, because I've met a few Filipinos here, many Filipinos here support Argentina, especially during major tournament. Well, we may come from a country where basketball is more popular, right? But once you live in Argentina, like the football fever is almost impossible to escape. Like, you start cheering with your Argentinian friends, like wearing the colors and celebrating as part of the community.
All right, back to you, Sir Bombo Louie.
Okay, Ma'am, how about reaction between Yamal at saka kay Messi, kasi maghaharap itong dalawa?
Yes.
Ano pong reaction mo, kasi si Messi parang maedad na at saka yung si Lamine parang bata pa. Ano ang reaction mo, kasi ito yung pinag-uusapan ngayon, Ma'am?
Yeah, from what I've observed, like Argentina and Spain, people here have a lot of respect for Spain and for Yamal. They know Spain is one of the strongest football nations in the world, and Yamal is one of the strongest players as well. So everyone, they expect a very competitive match tomorrow because of the story behind Yamal and Messi. So yes, but at the same time, from Messi's interview, that there's a lot of confidence because Argentina has also had an incredible tournament. Most people I've spoken to here, like locals, are excited rather than being nervous. So they believe it's going to be a fantastic final tomorrow.
Gaano kayo dyan ka-happy ngayon, ma'am? Gaano kayo ka-excited? Kasi magtutuos na ang Germany at saka Spain, ang Argentina at saka Spain on July 19, ma'am.
Oh yes, I'm very excited for tomorrow because I'll be watching with my Argentinian friends and my expat community. So we were all meeting for a pizza place and watch the final together. And yes, I will be expecting tomorrow it will be a competitive match. And yes, and everyone is excited.
Okay. Bukas na po mangyari ang FIFA World Cup Finals. Ano ang gagawin ninyo? Titingin ba talaga kayo? Pupunta kayo? Mag-monitor lang ba kayo, ma'am? Bigyan nyo ng oras itong pagsaksi na mangyari sa FIFA World Cup Finals, ma'am.
Sorry?
Bukas na mangyari itong FIFA World Cup Finals. Anong gagawin nyo? Pupunta mag-monitor lang ba kayo or ano ba plano
yes,
mo?
yes. I'll be watching the finals with my Argentinian friends and my expat friends around Obelisco.
Pero may mga ma'am, may mga monitors, may mga inilagay diyan sa mga daan sa sentro na mga monitors para makita ng mga tao yung laro bukas sa FIFA.
Yes, definitely. Like many people like choose to watch together rather than at home because it's more fun. Like there are like countless sports bars, pubs, cafes, and restaurants with big screens. Like it become like a gathering places. So it's a very social experience because people love cheering together.
Last 2022 nag-champion ng Argentina, mag-champion ngayon, ibig sabihin mas bongga ngayon, ma'am, ikumpara last year kung mangyari na mag-champion ang Argentina bukas.
Yes, I think, what do I think if Argentina will win? I think it has all the ingredients for an incredible final. Well, in general, Spain is an outstanding team, but Argentina has shown resilience and determination throughout the tournament. So if Argentina plays with the same intensity and discipline they've shown so far, I think they have a very good chance of lifting the trophy again.
Okay, gaano kalaki ang suporta from government sa teams natin sa Argentina, ma'am?
Like our government or Argentinian?
Yes, ma'am. Government dyan, gaano kalaki ang suporta sa team Argentina?
I think they're very optimistic for it as well because it's also a reputation of the country.
Okay, sige. Since bukas na ang FIFA World Cup, your final message sa ma'am para sa lahat po. Go ahead.
Well, I hope everyone will be enjoying and just enjoy the experience tomorrow because it will be, once in a lifetime for some.
Okay po. Ma'am Christine Tejada, thank you po sa time ninyo sa mga update, reactions from Argentina regarding sa FIFA World Cup 2026 mga preparations. Thank you, Ma'am Christine. Good morning. Happy Sunday. God bless.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you po, ma'am. Mauto pong bulay kang atong BIC from Argentina ba to? From Argentina. May kalabutan sa FIFA World Cup. So, sadya, murag ma-feel na ito nga bibos na bumulay ka, no?
Bitaw.
Sa
Gustuhan
FIFA.
ba gina sa mga real fans bitaw bumbulo, mga avid fans.
May mga monitors gid ay may mga grabe preparation sa gobyerno bumulay ka.
Yes.
Kay ang tumo maguna murag ang isumpay maguna ang 2022 champions nila
Yes.
karong 2026 nya. Makita to siya ang istorya murag supportive kayo. Point ko siya ba kanang nang support bumulay ka.
Yes.
Sa tawag ma-feel nimo ba nga ang kainit sa temperatura dito ba sa nagaduol nga torneo sa kining FIFA World Cup, mga kabombo tungod kay dipinsan magud sa Argentina ang ilang defending champion mo sa bumulay ka.
Yes, wag bitaw. Sama sa giingon ni Ma'am Christine na bumbuluwi nga ang ilang government optimistic, no? Positive gid ang panglantaw ni ana nga ilahan na pong kupunan, no? Sa Argentina na pod ang kini nga kadaugan. Kay nguna na bagid na bisag asa nga team kung for example, ikaw pod taga Spain ka mo pod na ang same vibe pod na dito mong buluwi nga sila ga expect pod nguna na pod ang ilang reaksyon kay syempre country per country na gud niya after every 4 years lang na nga mga torneo. So ingon ana gyud nga mga spirit gyud pod ang ilahang mga ginapakita, especially ang support gikan sa ilahang government.
Oo.